Hi, so we're in Mount Washington, New Hampshire, and we're at the Cog Railway. What we're going to do today is take the Cog Railway up about 3 miles to the top. And while we're up there, we're going to see how much colder it is and how far you can see. Now when you get to the top, the winds up there come directly from the Atlantic, so they say they have very extreme weather conditions. So we're going to head up there right now and take a look at the very top after we ride an hour up the mountain on the Cog Railway.
Okay, so this ravine to our immediate left here is Burt's Ravine. To get a better look at it higher up.
Okay, Kelly and I are at the top now. It's really cold up here. It's freezing. And we're by these like antennas here, and you can see that there's some sort of antenna or something they have up here, and there's a lot of ice on them. And the wind's blowing, and the ice just keeps falling down all around us. The one behind us just fell a second ago. It's pretty. You cold?
I'm freezing.
You should have remembered some gloves, huh?
I know.
And, I got gloves. Did you want to wear mine?
Don't you dare. Don't you. Oh my gosh. Yours was so much meaner. I'm wearing fuzzy socks on my hands. My makeshift gloves.
Okay, we're still at the top. You can see the clouds moving if you look over here. And again, this is about a 6,200 foot elevation where we are right now. About a 6,200 foot elevation. So we're taking a look at this, and before we go down and maybe get a cup of hot chocolate. What do you say, Kelly?
Yeah.
And we'll see if we can get something down there. Woo! You like the cold now?
It's all right now.
Yeah.
Used to it now.
Now it's okay. Yeah, you do get used to it, don't you?
Yeah.
But boy, you can see the clouds just moving right behind us here, and it's pretty good view. Okay, so we're a little higher up now on a platform. It's like an observation platform, and you can see that the towers behind us that we were just at a little bit ago, and we showed you some of that, the clouds have come in so much that you can't even see the tops of them anymore. So that's kind of where we are right now, and we're probably only about 20 minutes from having to leave now. So
We're in a cloud.
we're in a cloud, that's right. Hey Dave. Yeah. What do you think this is?
These are my peckerhead friend here and his daughter, his lovely daughter that he convinced to hit me with a snowball.
So much snow this winter,
No, I wanted
but
you
it's
to
supposed to
can it.
open this weekend. I'm not sure if they'll keep to that schedule or not. But it's open to public traffic throughout the warmer months of the year, and usually stays open until late October.